Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be answering another frequently asked question on calculator used for ACT maths. So this question I have here with me goes like this. It says, is graphing useful on the ACT maths test? The answer to this question is absolutely yes. Okay, many function and algebra problems can be solved much faster by graphing and analyzing the graph. Yes, that's correct. Many function and algebra problems can be solved much faster by graphing and analyzing the graph. And this is one of the core reasons this channel exists, to show you practically how to go about doing this yourself. So as you can see on this my channel, on this my home page, look at this video that is showing. This video, the only city math test prep calculator tricks you will ever need. Okay, this video is a 2 hour long video. Okay, yeah, so it's a 2 hour long video. You just take your time and go through it. It will show you everything you will need to solve ACT maths using a calculator. It's 84 plus, 84 plus. Okay, or you can choose to watch the short versions of the videos. Okay, we will go to my playlist, locate the ACT maths calculator trick playlist. I have about 50 or 51 videos there. So in either version you prefer, it will serve you, either the short clip video or this long one. Okay, so I hope I answered this question correctly for you, and I will see you in the next video.